how to manage your homepage on your website. This is including your homepage image up at the top here and how you edit your general content on the homepage. Once you've logged into SchoolSpider, you're going to select Manage Website, Manage Your Homepage, and this is where you're going to edit your homepage content. To edit your main image, you're going to use the Main Image Manager here and select Choose Your Image. You can upload up to 8 images at a time, and you'll have the two options to either have them scroll or create a montage image. So tick this box and it will create a montage image from these images, or you can just click at the top to save. It's going to ask you to drag and position those images, click save, and then do the same again for the next one. Once you refresh the page, you'll see then that the new images will have been added to your slideshow here, and they will then just scroll between up to 8 images at a time. To delete any old images, you're just going to select the orange cross, and that's going to delete them from your home page. You'll also see that you've got a mini banner manager here. Now this is going to upload an image to the top of your content area, and it works the same way as your main image manager. Choose your image, select the image you want to upload, you can drag and drop the image here, and then click save. This image is then just going to sit just underneath your welcome text here, above where your main content is. To edit the main content on your page, it's as easy as just clicking into the box, and then you can just delete the text and type in what you want to upload. When you're happy with your changes, you can just save all details at the bottom. If you do want more information on the content area here, click on the link here to go onto the content video. You've also got the option on your homepage to add files and to add videos. Now, once again, we have got other videos on here. If you just click on the links popping up on your screen, you can see how to manage the files and also how to add a video onto the website.